Hi, in this video, we'll view how to configure the Department tab under the web interface for time and attendance. We'll begin by opening the web interface for time and attendance. We'll go ahead and type in our credentials to log into the web interface of time and attendance, and then we'll go ahead and click where it says sign in. On the dashboard, on the menu on the left, we'll go ahead and click where it says configuration. Now, in order to add one department, we'll go ahead and click on the plus sign on the bottom left corner. On the pop-up window, we'll go ahead and type in the code for our department. In this case, we'll go ahead and use tech support. Now, under the description, write a small description for our department. In this case, we'll go ahead and use net access tech support. And then we're going to go ahead and click save. We'll see a pop-up window with success on the top right corner. That means our department has been successfully added. If we want to modify our department, we just need to select the department and click the box with the pencil on the bottom left corner. On the pop-up window, modify the codes that you need and go ahead and click save, and your department will successfully be modified. If you want to delete it, we'll just need to select it and click the trash can on the bottom line. And we'll see that the department has been deleted. You can go ahead and add as many departments as needed by just clicking the plus sign.